sorry ass DJ.
Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a small haul that I got from Smileys. Now I know only recently that I put up a video, but I wanted to get some more of them snake crystals because I only ended up ordering one, which was a bit silly of me. So show you what I got. I can't pick it up. So I bought two of these folders just to house some of my glitters, because a lot of the glitters I get do come in bags, and instead of me depotting them, I just thought it'd be easier if I just slip them in this folder. It houses 144 glitters, so I got two of those. I'm sure I will need more, but that will do for now. In my bag, okay, I put them in these pots already just to I don't know why, but yeah, so I ended up getting one more of these snakes, so we have two together now, which look cute. I love them, they're so sparkly. I love them a lot. I can't remember the price of those. And then I got two of these butterflies. How beautiful, and my hands have just been creamed, they're not sweating. How beautiful are they? And they've got pink diamonds in there as well. I think are dead cute. Then I got some feathers. These are stickers which are glittery. They look more glittery in person than they do on camera. I thought they were so sweet. And I bought hand sanitizer. I've got a load of hand sanitizer, but I bought two more. I gave one already to my daughter. These are 10 mil, and they've got aloe vera in them. They smell really lovely. So I should put that in my handbag. Let's do these bags first. I didn't go too crazy because I'd already ordered a load. Yeah, so I can put these in my folders now. So this is Silver Starburst. So this has some fine, this is holographic, not sure it's going to show up on camera. There's some fine silver glitter, and there's some strands, some circles, stars, and some hexagons. It's very beautiful. I love. Then I got Dizzy, which are these mermaid scales. So it's like a white that goes into a blue. Pretty. And then I got Banana Split, or Splits. So it has some yellow and silver hexagons. And there's some fine silver in there as well, and some bigger hexagons. Yeah, pretty. Then onto these. show you the ones that I ordered. So I ordered the oyster crust shells. Now they had so many different colours, but I just wanted these because they were sort of more realistic, if you know what I mean. So pretty. I love it so much. And there's a lot in there, look. Excuse me. Then I got candy slush, which is a mylar. So it's a pink and blue mylar. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And I got wild child, not wild child, wild orchard. Oh, it's because I cream my hands, I'm going to struggle now. Here we go. Very beautiful. I love a lot. I got pina colada. This has got pink, yellow and purple. Very pretty. And I got some gold coral hexagon shapes. Now this I bought for like honeycomb, so I could do a bee set, which is really pretty. It's not focusing. There you go. Gorgeous. And then for my freebies, I got toffee apple. I've already bought this. I've got this in my collection. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then burgundy wine multi-mix. Oh god. This has stars, strands, some hexagons and some fine. Very pretty. Love a lot. So that is it for today's haul. Hope you guys are all staying safe and not bored shitless. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. Take care and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.